everybody, welcome to Charisma.
Hello everyone, welcome to Charisma. Today we'll see how to make this cute dream catcher with beads. The beads will be added after weaving, and instead of single beads, today I'm using a bead garland or a necklace. Let's start. You need a ring. I have wrapped the ring with white thread. We need a blunt needle and pass the thread through it. To weave, tie one end of the thread to the ring and make multiple knots to secure it. Put some clear nail paint on the knot. For weaving, hold the thread with your left hand tightly along with the ring and pass the needle under it to make a knot. Repeat the same all along the ring. When you'll reach the starting point, repeat the same technique, but this time catch the loop under it. Keep repeating till you reach near the center. I'm stopping at this point. Secure the thread with knots. This is the necklace I'm going to use. It comes off from one end. Now what we are going to do is simply pass the necklace around the web. My web has little space and the beads are big. I am going to pass half of the necklace at one go. And now pass the necklace around the web, going up and down all around the ring. Cut off the extra and using a glue gun, join the ends. I'm hanging this little piece from the necklace in the center. I'll use glue gun to attach it to the web. Attach your favorite feathers or tassels to it and your dream catcher is ready to be hung. I hope you have liked the video. Please like and comment if you did. Please subscribe if you are new here and don't forget to watch my other Dreamcatcher videos too. See you in the next video. Till then, happy slumber.